Hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher.
I'm Teacher D and I'm going to have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay, before we start, could you please introduce yourself?
my name is Nina. I'm 11 years old. I study English at Ocean Edu Dongha.
Okay, thank you, Gina. Now let's start. I'd like you to look at the screen. Okay, Gina, here are two pictures that look the same, but some things are different. Okay, so what we're going to do is to find the differences. I'll talk about picture one and you talk about picture two. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay, Gina, in picture one, the door is open.
but in picture 2, the door is closed.
In picture one, the clock is next to the pictures.
But in picture 2, the clock is between two pictures.
In picture one, the girl is playing with a violin.
But in picture 2, the girl is playing guitar.
In picture one girl is drawing.
But in picture 2, two girls is read the book.
In picture one, there is a lizard on the drum.
But in picture 2, there are stars in the room.
In picture one, the boy playing the piano is standing.
But in picture 2, the boy play piano is sitting.
In picture one, the woman is taking a photo.
But in picture 2, the man taking the photo.
Okay, now let's continue. Now, for this part of the test, we're going to exchange information. Now, we have here Sarah and Ben. Sarah and Ben go to different after school club. Now, you know everything about Sarah's tennis club, so I will ask you some question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now, Gina, what day is Sarah's tennis club?
Uh, Sarah is Friday.
It's, okay, again, what day is Sarah's tennis club?
Is Monday.
It's Monday, okay? And what time is Sarah's tennis club?
Is 4:30.
Where is Sarah's tennis club?
At park.
How long is Sarah's tennis club?
2 hours.
2 hours, okay? And what is the name of Sarah's tennis club teacher?
Is Mitra.
Okay, it's Mr. Drake. Now, since you know nothing about Ben's swimming club, now you can ask me some questions.
What day is pen club?
It's on Friday.
What time is pen club?
It's a quarter past 5.
Where is pen?
It's at the sports center.
How long is pen?
It's 1 hour.
What is the name of teacher of pen's teacher?
Okay, it's Mrs. Curley. Okay, thank you. Now let's move on to the next part. For this part of the test, you're going to tell the story. Look at the pictures. This picture tell a story. It's called The Kitten. Now look at picture one. There is a boy named Nick. Nick has just opened the door, and Nick saw a kitten in front of the door. And he is very surprised because he doesn't know where the kitten come from. Now, can you continue the story?
Of the two, the boy bring the kitten in the home, and he give food and water water kitten,
Okay, and continue.
and the boy has water in
What is the boy doing in picture three? Is he posting? What is he posting?
the kitten
I-
and
Is he posting a poster?
kitten
Okay, of a kitten. And what else can you see on the poster?
has number.
Okay, it has number. And what happens next?
Yes, the woman is sad because the kitten go. Uh, the woman see Potter and see called phone.
Is it the woman's kitten?
Yeah.
Okay, and look at the table. What's on the table?
The man,
Okay, I'd like you to look at picture four. What's on the table? Is there a telephone?
yeah,
What do you think is the
and
woman going to do? He sees a number on the poster, right?
yeah,
And what is he going to do?
she called phone
Okay, very good. And
and the boy give the kitten, and the human give
Is
his parent and
present.
present. Finally, there are is fun and happy.
They are very
Fun.
They are very happy. Okay, very good. Okay, now let me ask you some question. Gina, let's talk about school. What time do you start your lesson at school?
Um, 1 p.m.
At 1 p.m. How do you go to school?
I go motorbike
You go by motorbike and
and car
okay, that's good. And how many children are there in your class?
has 39.
There are 39. And what do you do after school?
I I go to the library and go home.
Okay, very good. So that's the end of your speaking test. Thank you, Gina.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay.